people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my apartment tour. I'm gonna do this real quick, but I'm gonna do a sit down video where I explain in detail because we're about to move things inside. So I just want to show you guys how it looks before we move things. Sophie's already getting angry. Okay, people. Okay. What about all of that? This is the living area. Put my TV right there. The best part about this house, what really blew my attention is this view right here. Is this amazing view? We are right up. I think this is the 28th floor. Look at all of the view. Look at all of that view of the city. Like, this space is so huge. I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna be walking a lot on this space, and we have a small lake right there that you can, yeah. So let's go back inside. So it's an open plan concept, so you can see. Forget about the bags. Let me cover the bags, So I'm going to put some chairs right there, some island chairs, and just put a couch here. This is just a one-bedroom place, people. So we just decided to be a little bit minimalistic. Yeah, so this is how basically it looks. So this is the living room slash the kitchen. It's an open plan concept. So, and I love this granite countertop right here, and it's really huge. Look at all of this space. Whoop, right there. It's really massive. And coming to the kitchen, of course, we have the refrigerator, we have the cooktops, we have the microwave going on, and the dishwasher right here, and lots of cupboard spaces, like a lot of cupboard space. So there's good storage. So I love the fact that I can be here, I can be cooking and watching my favorite show right there and having a beautiful view of the city. Guys, what do you think? I love this place so much. I've always wanted to stay in a high-rise, and I got it. Yeah, we didn't want any place like really big. I just wanted something like, small and cozy, and I got just that. So now let's move to the master bedroom. Yeah, this is the master bedroom right here, and well, it's not really that big, but at least a king size bed can fit in right here. And again, people, I love the fact that they didn't cover this wall. They just left it like that, and you see, you can have natural sunlight. Just imagine waking up to this view every morning, lying down in bed, having this view, just watching a show or something. This is so, I love this place. I can just see myself sitting here in the morning having a cup of coffee or something. Look at all of that. This is amazing. So let's move now to the walk-in closet. Yes, what I love about the walk-in closet is that it has enough space. So you can accommodate all of our stuffs. I just have to buy more storage stuffs right here. I think I can even have my display my bags, my shoes right here, so buy some storage boxes, just fix it up a little bit. Yeah, and the lighting in here is not that bad, so I think it's better. And what else? We have the bathroom here. So this is the bathroom. Let me turn on the light. So this is the bathroom. It's really big and clean as compared to what we previously had. And yeah, the toilets are clean, everything just minimal. I just have to work on a few stuffs right here, and it's so clean and it smells amazing. So I just have to work on some few stuffs. I have to figure a way out where to put our storage for our skin lotion and all of that. So I'm going to be doing a lot of stuffs here. Yeah, Let's move now to, this is just the laundry room. And I love the fact that I have my own laundry room. Last time we didn't have laundry room, people. We had to go do laundry at the laundromat. So this is a plus for this house. And like I said in the beginning, we have additional storage. I think this is where I'm going to be storing maybe our winter coat and some of the cleaning supplies and all of that. Since I have enough space in the kitchen, I think this is okay. And right here, I'm going to put a console table. So when you walk in, you're going to see some, console table and a mirror right here. And, our car keys and house keys. This is where I'm just going to put them because there's a lot of space. So this is how the apartment looks like. It's a little pricey, but it's worth it because this is exactly what I wanted. Look at all of this kitchen space. Look at all of this space.
Yeah, family, I kind of lost footage while
I just have to put some chairs on here.
I was just trying to explain about the temperature regulator in this apartment. You could regulate the temperature the way you want. Everything is well put in place. And I love the fact that this apartment, they manage it so well. For instance, it comes with a lot of amenities. It gives you that luxury feel while you live in your own personal space. They do have a jacuzzi. They do have a place where you could host your parties. They do have a lounge, a swimming pool, a jacuzzi, a sauna, a steam bath, and of course a gym and a lot of activities. And what I love about this apartment is that they do make sure they give their residents some time and also give them a treat every weekends or most weekends. So they make sure that they kind of host, you can host your events, and they do have parties and some events, for example, like maybe wine tasting, just having a pie and so on. So yeah, it's really a lovely place.
Don't wanna waste time. I'll never be this young. I'll never be this young again. Don't wanna chase highs when I'm too worn out. When I'm too worn out. So I'm never coming down. Never coming down. Never coming down.
Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing well. So I'm just here today relaxing. Guys, I love my apartment so much. As you can see, I'm not gonna show everything. So it has so many amenities. That is what I love about this place. So many activities, so many indoor. It's a beautiful community. You don't even need to go out there. I mean, look at all of this. It's so beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, I'm gonna share with you what is inside. I just came back from the store and I discovered this spot today. I didn't know they had this spot. It's so beautiful.
I can hear the silence as I'm walking by. Everyone's so quiet.